so that whatever you're trying to watch will inherit the filter it's using whenever you try to click on the middle icon as well. So now you're just like trying to do any other TikTok video. Trying to video, if you already have a video, just open up the album and tap on the video that you want or the picture that you want. And afterwards, after you're done taking the video, it will prompt you to go to the editing mode of TikTok. Tap on the text icon and then just type on whatever you want to do as an added bonus visual effects on your video as well. After typing, you can also choose a lot of different options such as font color, font text, and font animation. After you're done, you can see tap out on the set time duration. And you just set the duration there, and that should be it.